The Cerrado region in South America is one of the most biodiverse regions in the world. As of 2018, half of Cerrado savannas and forest has been converted to agricultural land. Worldwide, soil cultivation takes up an area size of France, Belgium, Germany, and the Netherlands combined. Since soy requires a lot of water to grow, these crop fields are treated with toxic chemicals, usually in higher quantities than the plants can use. This releases harmful substances into the surrounding environment. The result, rapidly declining water availability for local communities, flora and fauna. When someone mentions soy, we think about food such as tofu, soy milk, tempeh, or edamame beans. But only a small percentage of global soy is used for these products. More than three-quarters of soy is used as feed for livestock. We might therefore conclude that the increased demand for soy has been driven by a growing appetite for meat and animal products. As populations increase and the global middle class expands, animals are fed high-protein feed. This way, cows can produce more milk than usual and animals get fatter, generating more meat. By 2025, global production of beef and pork is expected to increase by 22% compared with a decade ago, dairy by 80%, and eggs by as much as 27%. The European Union is overproducing animals. As a result, live animals get transported back and forth. About 5 million live chickens, pigs, sheep, and cattle are exported every day. Live exports can come with many welfare issues, such as stress, injury, hunger, thirst, and exhaustion. If animals survive, they can face conditions or slaughter practices that would have been illegal in the country of birth. Besides eating meat, it's an extremely inefficient source of energy. Of the 100 calories you feed a cow, you only get 12 calories from eating meat. It also takes a tremendous amount of water to raise a cow. A cow drinks an average of 98 liters a day. In addition, each day a dairy cow produces an average between 200 and 500 grams of methane. Millions of suffering animals, dying animals and plant species, destroyed land, pollution of earth and water, water exhaustion and endless emission only for a fifth of all the meat that end up in the trash. In Europe alone, 29 million tons of dairy products are wasted each year, and of the 263 million tons of meat produced every year globally, 53 million tons is wasted. So we are wasting precious resources producing food that will never be eaten, and will use up even more resources in disposing of it. Ironically, embracing soy as a protein substitute could be the key to the solution. In fact, if the world were to swap meat protein for soy protein, agricultural deforestation would decline as much as 94%. Soy hinges one of the crucial conditions that is eaten by people and not livestock.